Now this is one more question from electrochemistry, your textual questions. Formulate a cell from the following electrode reaction. What is the meaning of formulate the cell? You have to write what? Cell representation. Now what are the rules for cell representation? First you have to write the electrode for the anode. First of all you write anode first, followed by cathode. Now in anode you have to write the electrode first, followed by the electrolyte at the anode. Put a double line for salt bridge, single line for change in phase between the electrode and the solution. These are the basic rules, and once you have written the anode, then you go for cathode, and in cathode write the electrolytic solution first, followed by the electrode. Now what do you see here in this reaction? Gold Au plus 3 is undergoing reduction to 0 state. That means this is what is cathode. Okay, it's undergoing reduction. And Mg from 0 state is getting converted to plus 2. That means the second one is this anodic reaction. So while representing the cell, first you will represent anode, put a double line for salt bridge, followed by cathode. Now in anode, you have to write the electrode first. Now out of Mg, which is solid, and Mg plus 2, which is aqueous, who will be the electrode? The solid form will be the electrode. So what you have to do is write Mg solid, right? Put a single line because Mg is in solid state and Mg plus 2 in solution form. Therefore, there is a change in phase represented by single vertical line. Now this is what is anodic representation. Put a double line for salt bridge, and then you write the cathodic solution first. Solution means ions are there. So this is the cathodic solution. Single line, your gold solid is your cathodic electrode. Okay. Now while representing the cell, you know that anode is negative charge in electrochemical cell and cathode is positive charge. So put up the charge first, followed by the electron which flows from anode to cathode, from one electrode to another. So this is what is electron moving from anode to cathode, and you know that the conventional current goes from cathode to anode. So this I am showing you what? Conventional current. Put up the proper state of all the solution and the electrode which is in solid form. This is how we represent cell. So that's the meaning of formulate a cell.